Hi students, welcome to our session today for Super Tricks English Parajumbles. We will be discussing how to solve parajumbles in a short time, quickly. Because when we are in an exam, it is a race against time. So every second counts. So कैसे हम कम से कम time में parajumbles solve कर लें? Now, when we are talking about parajumbles, then they are an important part of almost all the competitive exams. कोई सा भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम देखो 3 से 5 पैराजम्बल्स तो आपको वहां पे मिलेंगे. What is parajumble? As the name itself suggests, you have a paragraph in which the different sentences they are mixed up, and then you have to arrange them in a sequence which is logical. Now, when we are talking about parajumbles, there are three main kinds of parajumbles. First, which is most common, that is open parajumble, in which there is no fixed part and the different sentences we have to arrange. There may be 4 or 5 sentences generally. Second is closed parajumbles, in which either the first or the last or both first and last they are fixed, and we have to arrange the remaining sentences. Then the third one, which is the toughest, that is key in parajumble, not very common, but we will still look at 1 or 2 examples of key in parajumbles as well. Now, one thing is that we can do is that we read the different combinations and then try to understand कि कौन सा यहाँ पे fit बैठ रहा है, but that will take a lot of time. What we want to do is to do it in a short time. That is what is basically our purpose today. Do parajumbles in a short time. So that is why we are also calling it super tricks. So let us begin with the super trick. The first super trick for this is that you look at the options and then you decide what can be the best sentence to start with or end with, depending upon the combination that is given there. I suggest that you first solve the question and then you again play. So you can pause the video, solve it, and then again start playing. Okay, I assume that now you have solved it. So we will discuss now. When we are looking at this question, you can see that the opening sentence could be C, D, or B. These are the three combinations. And if we look at the ending, it will be either E or A. These two endings are there. Now, when we are looking at these sentences, you can notice that it is saying, I love Mauritius beaches too. Two is coming now. Moreover, one more thing is there that Hawaii is supposed to be the most beautiful island. This is the general statement. And then you have, I love Goa beaches. This is a specific sentence that we are talking about. So, I love Mauritius beaches too. That means this cannot be the first sentence. So, option A beginning with C is out. Option D beginning with C is out. Either we have option B or option D. So, option B or option C because they are beginning with D and B. इन दोनों के अंदर भी जब हम देख रहे हैं, so we can see that D is a general statement as we have discussed, and B it's an individual perception, individual statement. So we will not have individual first and then the general. We will have general and then individual. That means D will come before B. वो हमारे पास एक ही combination आ रहा है, that is option B. So correct answer here will be option B. D, B, C, E, A. Okay, so that was one letter. And now if you check it again, always in a parajumble, when you are getting some option, you check it that is it making sense? D, B, C, E, A. Now you check it, read it, you will see that it is making sense. Let us move to the next one. Specific references and examples should follow generalizations. Generalizations जैसे कि मैं बोल दूं people love ice cream. फिर specific reference और examples. I love butterscotch. तो पहले people love ice cream. I love butterscotch. और he loves butterscotch. That will be your specific reference और उसका example. इसका करके देखते हैं solve. You solve this and then we'll discuss it. First and sixth, they are fixed here. The Maruti and sixth, the Maruti 800. These are the fixed parts here. Now, if you look at it, इसमें general कौन सा है और specific कौन सा है? So we can clearly see. Sentence C, the country had sturdy cars, capacious. Capacious मतलब capacity, having good capacity. Vintage cars, this is general. And all these three, but one car, but none that kicked, one car that gave, these are all specific. That means first तो हमारे पास C होना चाहिए, ना कि हमारे पास A, B और D. They cannot form our first part. Okay. So most probably it will be C. C will be किसके अंदर आ रहा है? ऑप्शन ए के अंदर हमारे पास C है. ऑप्शन सी के अंदर हमारे पास सी है. ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी विच आर बिगिनिंग विथ डी स्पेसिफिक वन वो तो नहीं आएगा, तो वो दैट इज आउट ना. अब हम इन दोनों के अंदर देख लें, वी हैव बट विच इज टेकिंग इट इनटू अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, बट टेकिंग इट इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन एंड सिंपली वन कार। अब हमारे पास ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन हैं, सी के बाद बी लें या सी के बाद ए लें। इफ वी आर टेकिंग दिस सी, सी हमने ले लिया, द कंट्री हैड स्टडी कार्स, देन हमने लिया ए, बट वन कार चेंज्ड ऑल दैट। अब यहां पे हमारे पास सही सीक्वेंस नहीं आ रही है। हैड स्टडी कार्स कैपेशियस पॉजिटिव बात कर रहे हैं, बट वन कार चेंज्ड ऑल दैट, तो वो तो हम अपोजिट जा रहे हैं, एंड देन दिस बी डी विल नॉट फिट। बट अगर आप हमको यहां पे देखो, सी बी ए डी, सी बोल रहा है हमसे जनरल, बी बट वन कार चेंज्ड ऑल दैट, so this is, sorry, B is this, but none that kicked up dust. Now this is making sense कि मजबूत कार्स तो थी, स्टर्डी थी, कैपेशियस थी, बट ऐसी नहीं थी जिसको कि आप रेस ट्रैक पे भी ले जाओ। तो बी चल रहा है हमारे पास, बी के बाद एक, वन कार चेंज ऑल दैट, ये जो सिचुएशन थी कि दैट यू कैन गेट बोथ, दैट वाज चेंज्ड बाय हियर दिस वन। सो ये हमारे पास आया ए फॉलोड बाय डी, one car that gave wing to every man's dream of freedom, that is matching, and then the Maruti 800. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं the correct answer will be option A. चलिए एक और देखते हैं। Start a topic from past to future. If you are having different times mentioned there, or if it is something is happening, so what happened first, what happened next, what happened next, that is how we are going to continue. Let us look at an example to understand it in a better way. ओके, सो हियर इज इट, फर्स्ट इज फिक्स्ड एंड लास्ट इज फिक्स्ड। क्या बता रहे हैं, फर्स्ट के अंदर हमारे पास टॉप बॉलीवुड डायरेक्टर ऑन वेकेशन इन स्विट्जरलैंड वाज स्केड्यूल्ड टू फ्लाई स्ट्रेट टू कोलकाता द नेक्स्ट नाइट। ठीक है, यहां पे हुआ। अब व्हाट शुड कम नेक्स्ट हियर, obviously C should come. Suddenly she realized, this top director, suddenly she realized, oh my god, I have left my passport at home in Mumbai. This is matching कि ये जाना था, she realized this। C के बाद हमारे पास आ रहा है A, but then her secretary swung into action, she forgot the passport, her secretary swung into action, so next will be your A, which will be followed by D, she arranged to retrieve the passport। she कौन है, सेक्रेटरी के लिए बोल रहे हैं, she arranged to retrieve the passport, ये तो है नहीं डायरेक्टर यहाँ पे, and deliver it to her boss who was waiting at the airport। So D आ गया हमारे पास, followed by B। Almost every manager yearns to have a secretary with that kind of initiative। कौन सा kind of initiative? Which was shown by the secretary in these previous sentences। So that means हमारे पास B आ जाएगा। So when you look at the sequence, swung into action, ये भी हमारे पास आ गया। Then we have this last one, B. B is matching this. What we need is someone who can handle the administrative course. So that means correct answer will be option B, C A D B। So पहले क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, then what? This is how we have done it। So in otherwise what we would have done, पहले first पढ़ो, second पढ़ो, third पढ़ो, fourth पढ़ो, which would have taken a long time। So we have shortened that time, that duration। Generally, a paragraph does not begin with this, that, it, he, she, etc. That means we will not begin it with a pronoun typically. If we have options, we will begin with what is a noun here. Now, look at this question. Here you have the last one, which is fixed. Sorry. Now, here we have the last one, which is fixed. And first one is also fixed as an economy expense. Now we have to arrange with A, B, C, D between these as an economy expense and this last one। यहाँ के अंदर भी अगर आप देख लो, so you can see that it is mentioning a rule and this new ruling। So this new ruling will be certainly following this a rule। That means पहले हमारे पास A आ जाएगा इससे पहले, and then this will come, this new ruling। So A should come immediately before 6th। मोरोवर अगर आप देख लो, द एक्सचेंज एंड द बीजिंग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, तो पहले हम क्या ले लेंगे, द एक्सचेंज एंड द बीजिंग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के अंदर बेटर विल बी दैट पहले हम पूरा ले लें, द बीजिंग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, एंड देन वी विल फॉलो इट विद द एक्सचेंज। जो हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे थे दैट इट शुड नॉट बिगिन विद दिस, दैट, इट, ही, शी। सो दैट मीन्स हमारे पास पहले यहाँ पे दिस नहीं आएगा, पहले अ रूल आ जाएगा। इसी तरह हमारे पास द बीजिंग स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पहले आएगा एंड फिर द एक्सचेंज यहाँ पे हमारे पास आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो टेलिंग अस कि जो भी हमारे पास ऑप्शन आएगा उसके अंदर पहले डी आएगा एंड देन इट विल बी सी। तो डी पहले आ रहा है, सी बाद में आ रहा है, एंड ए शुड कम लास्ट। ए हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन में आ रहा है एंड दैट इज ऑप्शन ए। सो ऑप्शन ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर हियर। Let us take one more example. Pairing technique can be used to eliminate. Pairing techniques, that means कोई दो options हम देख पा रहे हैं, दो sentence देख पा रहे हैं, which will come together. We cannot separate them. Otherwise, that sequence will break. For example, if you look at this question, now this is an open parajumble in which there is no fixed part. But अगर आप यहाँ पे अंदर देखोगे तो यहाँ पे two things they are coming up as fixed, and that is this CD pair. Demands for wheat-based products has fallen down considerably. Supply seems to be abundant, which has caused a huge loss. तो this C and D, because यहाँ पे हम बता रहे हैं कि डिमांड जो है wheat product की वो क्यों has fallen down considerably because of the supply seems to be abundant. If supply is abundant, obviously supply demand will go down, which has caused this huge loss. So this C and D, that is a pair. So we will have to choose that option, which is together. तो यहाँ पे C and D are together. दो ऑप्शंस में आ रहे हैं, ऑप्शन ए के अंदर भी, ऑप्शन बी के अंदर भी. बोथ ऑफ देम दे आर हैविंग सी डी. ऑप्शन सी में सी डी आर नॉट टुगेदर, ऑप्शन डी में सी डी आर नॉट टुगेदर. सो दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी आवर आंसर. इन दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर हो जाएगा. नाउ इफ यू लुक फर्दर यू कैन सी दैट बी के अंदर हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. इट सीम्ड क्वाइट बैड इन द ओल्डन डेज. पहले ऐसा होता था. एंड एफ के अंदर हम प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन की बात कर रहे हैं. साइंटिस्ट आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. दैट मीन्स हमारे पास हमने पहले अभी हम देख चुके हैं पिछले रूल के अंदर दैट वी विल बी फॉलोइंग इट इन अ टाइम सीक्वेंस. तो पहले हमारे पास पास्ट आएगा एंड देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन. दैट मीन्स इन दोनों के अंदर अगर हम देख ले तो ऑप्शन बी में तो एफ पहले आ रहा है एंड बी इज कमिंग लेटर विच कैन नॉट बी द आंसर. बट ऑप्शन ए के अंदर बी पहले आ रहा है एंड ऑप्शन एफ इज कमिंग लेटर. That means this is going to be our answer. So here our correct answer will be E, B, A, C, D, F, and then you can check it quickly. Now just read one once. Is it making sense? Yes, it is making sense. So this will be our answer. Okay. So that's it for today. We will be meeting again. Hope you are learning with this super tricks, and these short tricks, they will be helping you save time in the exam. Goodbye.